Hello everyone, this is Chinnaiah Kalpana here. In this video, we're going to see a problem from Laplace transform using multiplication by powers of t and also by first shifting theorem. So let's get going. So we are asked to find Laplace transform of t cube e power minus 3t. So I'll show you firstly with multiplication by powers of t. So just compare L of t cube e power minus 3t with L of t power n f of t. See, multiplication by powers of t says that if L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of t power n f of t equal to minus 1 power n into d power n by ds power n of f of s. Right? So here, first we will find L of f of t. If you consider e power minus 3t as f of t, you will get L of e power minus 3t equal to, since we know that L of e power minus at equal to 1 by s plus a, right? Then for a equal to 3, we'll get 1 by s plus 3, which is our f of s. Now coming to L of t cube e power minus 3t. So here we are going to apply this formula. Then for n equal to 3, power of t is 3 here, so you'll get minus 1 whole cube into d cube by ds cube into f of s. Just substitute f of s here. We have f of s 1 by s plus 3. This gives us minus 1 whole cube is minus d cube by ds cube into f of s 1 by s plus 3. Right? Or we can write this as minus d square by ds square of d by ds of 1 by s plus 3. This is equals to minus d square by ds square of, derivative of 1 by s square is minus 1 by s plus 3 whole square. Okay. Derivative of 1 by s plus 3 is minus 1 by s plus 3 whole square into inner derivative. Derivative of s plus 3 with respect to s is 1, or we can write this as d by ds of s plus 3. Okay, this gives us minus d square by ds square into minus 1 by s plus 3 whole square into derivative of s with respect to s is 1 plus derivative of constant with respect to s is 0. Right? We'll get minus 1 by s plus 3 whole square into 1. Okay. Instead of writing these two steps, you can just go for this. Right? Directly. So now we'll get t square by ds square into minus 1 by s plus 3 whole square. Again, we can write this as minus d by ds into d by ds of minus 1 by s plus 3 whole square. This is equals to minus d by ds of derivative of minus 1 by s plus 3 whole square is minus 1 into minus 2 by s plus 3 whole cube into derivative of s plus 3. Derivative of s with respect to s is 1. Derivative of constant with respect to s is 0. So you'll get 1 plus 0, which is 1. This is equals to minus d by ds of minus 1 into minus 2 by s plus 3 whole cube. Right? This is equals to now minus of derivative of, just write this constant like this, or you can write this as minus, we can write this minus as minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 2 into d by ds of 1 by s plus 3 whole cube. Okay. This is equals to minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Or minus into minus into minus minus 1 into 1 into 2, 2. Now find derivative of 1 by s plus 3 whole cube. That is minus 3 by s plus 3 whole power 4 into derivative of s plus 3 with respect to s. That is inner derivative, which is 1. Because derivative of s with respect to s is 1 and derivative of constant with respect to s is 0. So 1 plus 0 gives 1. This is equals to minus 2 into minus 3 is minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6 by s plus 3 power 4. Therefore, L of t cube e power minus 3t is 6 by s plus 3 to the power 4. Now I'll solve this problem directly, okay, using the same formula. Firstly, I'll find L of f of t or L of e power minus 3t, which is 1 by s plus 3, which is our f of s. Now I'll find L of t cube e power minus 3t by using this formula. For n equal to 3, you'll have minus 3 whole cube into d cube by ds cube of f of s. Just replace f of s here. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 into d cube by ds cube into 1 by s plus 3, which is our f of s, right? This is equals to minus 1 into d squared by ds square into first derivative of 1 by s plus 3 is minus 1 by s plus 3 whole square into inner derivative is 1 is equals to minus 1 into this minus 1 into d square by ds square into 1 by s plus 3 whole square, which gives us minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 into d by ds of 1 by s plus 3 whole square, which gives us d by ds of derivative of 1 by s plus 3 whole square is minus 2 by s plus 3 whole cube into inner derivative is 1. I can write this as minus 2 into d by ds of 1 by s plus 3 whole cube, which gives us derivative of 1 by s plus 3 whole cube is minus 3 by s plus 3 whole power 4 into inner derivative, that is derivative of s plus 3 with respect to s is 1. This is equals to minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6 by s plus 3 whole power 4, which is the required answer. Now let's see how to solve the problem using first shifting theorem. First shifting theorem says that if L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of e power minus at f of t equal to f of s plus a. Okay, let's just compare L of e power minus 3t into t cube with L of e power minus at f of t. Then for f of t equal to t cube, we'll find L of t cube firstly. Okay, since L of t power n equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1, you'll get for n equal to 3 factorial by s power 3 plus 1, which is 3 factorial is 3 into 2 by s power 4, which gives us 6 by s power 4, which is our f of s. Now just compare these two, then we'll get L of e power minus 3t into t cube equal to f of s plus, for a equal to 3, you'll get f of s plus 3. Just compare this. Then L of e power minus at into f of t is f of s plus a, right? If f of s is 6 by s power 4, then f of s plus 3 will be, just replace this s by s plus 3 in f of s, then you'll get 6 by s plus 3 power 4 right? We'll get 6 by s plus 3 power 4. So you got the same answer. Okay. If you are mentioned to solve or find the Laplace using multiplication by powers of t, you'll apply this formula. And if you are asked to solve or find the Laplace transform using first shifting theorem, you'll just go with this procedure. So we have seen a problem from Laplace transform in this video. I hope you'll understand. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.